Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create list box in Tkinter. Let's get started. First we need to create a method. Okay, self dot for the creating the instance of the list box. Self dot insert, and the first is the position and the items. Insert k1. Okay, and self dot insert. Okay, okay, if I wrong, okay, I have to back this. L1 back and call the method self dot create list box. Now you can see this is our list box. Okay. If I change 0 to 1 and okay and it to 0 and it to 2, then the first items will be Python and the second is math and third is physics. Okay, position does not matter, index matter. Okay, now you can see the first one is Python, second is math, and third one is physics. Okay, if you have any doubt, please kindly comment down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.